Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install LibreOffice latest version on Oracle Linux 10.2. Okay, first open the default web browser. Okay, first verify whether any open source office suite comes. See, you don't have any office suite. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux 10, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website. It is LibreOffice.org. Then click on download. See here we have the latest version 26.2.5. click on this RPM for the Oracle Linux or Red Hat or Alma Linux or Rocky Linux type of operating systems. See, download started and its size is about 240 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we'll unzip this zip file. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, direct CD downloads, ls. See, we have the zip file. We have to unzip it, tar-accept, then MySQL, then libre, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, ls. Now go to this folder, cd libre, ls. Now go to again RPMs folder, ls. Now you have to install all these RPM packages. Sudo rpm -ivh control A, then start dot, then hyphen no deps, then start dot rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify. See, here we have the LibreOffice suite. Base, calc means it is like Microsoft Office, Excel. Writer means it is like MS Word. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now let's go up. ls. Now remove both the files, rm libre, ls. Remove this directory as well, rm-rf libre. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install LibreOffice latest version 26.2 on Oracle Linux 10.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.